All right, welcome back. We'll talk about perimeter. So, what is a perimeter? And then we'll find it of a triangle or quadrilateral. Then we'll talk about the circumference of a circle to finish it off. So, the perimeter is simply the distance around it. So, if you have like a square whose sides are 3 inches, and you add up all the sides, the perimeter would be, in this case, 12 inches. Add up all the sides. For this scalene triangle, I would say, well, I'd add up the 12 centimeter side plus the 6 centimeter side plus the 14 centimeter side. So it looks like we got, what, 32 centimeters? Would be our perimeter for this scalene triangle. If we have an isosceles triangle whose sides measure 6.5, so remember isosceles has two sides that are the same, and they're telling us those are 6.5 inches each, and the third side is 10 inches. So the perimeter of this would be 6.5 inches plus 6.5 plus 10. So it ends up being, what is that, 13 plus 23 inches. How about this rectangular? A security fence is to be built around a 215 meter by 17 meter rectangular field. What's the perimeter? Well, number one, what's the perimeter? Well, 215 meters plus the top 215. This is a rectangle. Plus the 17 plus the 17 would give us a perimeter of, what is that, 464 meters. And now what would it cost then if, number two, if fence is $100.75 per meter. So the cost would be, well, we have 464 meters times it's $1.75 per meter. Notice the meters cancel. So our cost is 464 times $1.75. Punch that in. Get 812. Whoops. $812 to fence that in, since it's $1.75 for every meter. All right, the circumference of a circle. So the circumference of a circle is the length around a circle, and it's given by the circumference is either 2 pi times the radius, or since 2r is the diameter, you could also use the circumference as pi times the diameter. You could use either one of those. So if we have a circle with a diameter of 24 centimeters, find the circumference. Well, it's 2 pi r or pi times the diameter. Well, since we have the diameter, let's use this one. So we have pi times the diameter, which is 24 centimeters. And it tells us use 3.14 for pi. And so we got 3.14 times 24. What's that give us? 75.36 centimeters is the circumference, right? In other words, the length all around the circle is 75.36 centimeters. How about if they give you the circumference? So they give you the circumference this time. The circumference of a coin is 8.16 centimeters. What's the radius? They want the radius. Well, we know the circumference is 2 pi r, and the circumference of the coin is 8.16, and we'll use pi being 3.14 here, or you could be more exact and use the pi button on your calculator. And now finally, so 2 times 3.14, 6.28. To solve for r, so we got to divide by 6.28 on both sides. So it looks like r ends up being 1.29999, so 1.3 approximately, if you round that. And that's it for perimeter and circumference. Appreciate you guys watching. Taking notes. See you next time.